Reporting in Xero allows you to visualize how your business is tracking financially. Understanding this allows you to make informed decisions to drive the success of your business. It will enable you to take charge by offering answers to questions such as, which of my business divisions is the most profitable? Do I have enough cash to cover my loan repayments? How are my costs tracking against the budget? What is the most popular product or service? Who owes me the most money? And so on. To access reports, go to Accounting and then Reports. I'm going to show you a small selection of a large range of reports that we have available, so I definitely encourage you to jump onto this page in your own time and have a browse. You can use the categories, such as sales and purchases, to help you find the reports most relevant to you. And you can also search for reports using the search function, which you can find in the top right. The first report we're going to run is the Profit and Loss report. This report details your sales, cost of sales, gross profit, expenses, and net profit. As you can see, it's a very useful report since it's going to tell you exactly how much you're earning. However, we do have the ability to customize the reports to get even more out of it. For starters, you can change the date range if required, and then click Update. Then, you can click Report Settings for more options. Here, you can select how many comparative periods you'd like to display. Let's select one. The percentage of trading income is quite a useful metric. It tells you how much of your income is being used to fund each line item. For example, if your trading income was 100 and you spent 10 on rent, the percentage of trading income would be 10%. This helps you to identify what costs are high relative to your income. This last option, Region, is a tracking category that has been set up for this particular Xero organization. If your business is split into different divisions, for example, wholesale and retail, or in-person and online, or in this case, region, I definitely suggest you set up a tracking category. Rather than only having insight over your business as a whole, tracking categories allow you to see how different areas of your business are performing separately. You can find out more about tracking on Xero Central. In this instance, I'm going to leave all selected and then click Update. Now we have a fantastic profit and loss report, rich in information and an insight. It shows us the comparative period, as well as the percentage of trading income for each line item. Don't forget to save it as a custom report, so that way you can refer to it at any time. To do this, click Save As, and then select Custom, give it a name, and then select Save. If I jump back into the report screen and click on the Custom tab, my customized profit and loss report is sitting there for me to use again in the future. This means that I don't have to spend time customizing it again. If you want a breakdown of a figure, such as the sales figure, simply click into it and you'll be taken to the Account Transactions report. The Account Transactions report shows the details of transactions entered into Xero against specific account codes, in this case sales. It can also be found in our list of reports in the Reports dashboard. It basically gives you a granular overview of what's going on behind the scenes. If you need to adjust the account, then this can be done from the top. Similar to the profit and loss report, you can adjust the date range if you wish, and you can customize the settings as well. This report can be very helpful depending on the situation. For example, if you notice an expense being quite high, then you can drill into the appropriate account to see where amounts are being spent. Next, let's take a look at the Age Receivable Summary report. To access this report, go to Accounting, Reports, and click into the Age Receivable Summary report. Here, you can see who owes you the most money, how much they owe, and how long it's been overdue for. A very useful report. However, just like the profit and loss report, you can make it even more useful with a little customization. To do this, click on Report Settings. There are a number of changes you can make here, but I'm just going to add a few extra columns. So I'm going to select the email column, mobile, phone, primary person, and then I'll select Update. Now, you have your customer's contact details right here on this report. So if you ever need to chase someone for payment, you have everything you need to get in touch with them right here at your fingertips. I've just shown you a little bit of reporting in Xero, so if you would like to learn more, click the question mark icon at the top and select the link to access our supercharged help center, Xero Central.